Welcome everyone, Chef Tasty Grub here, back with another delicious recipe. Today we're cooking Guyanese dal and rice and fried whiting. But before we begin, please leave a like on this video, and if you enjoy my content, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Making dal is quite simple. We'll begin with adding 2 cups of rinsed split peas into a pot, along with 4.5 quarts of water. We'll add garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, powdered chicken bouillon, white sugar, curry powder, tablet chicken bouillon, and salt to taste. Stir the ingredients and place the pot on top of the stovetop. Then bring the pot to a rapid boil and reduce the heat to a medium flame, leaving the pot uncovered to boil for approximately 30 minutes. During this time, check the water level to ensure the water remains at about 3.5 quarts, because the split peas still have a ways to go to fully dissolve. Be sure to use hot water when adding more water to the pot. Continue to cook uncovered for an additional 30 minutes. And at this time, the peas will swell and the water will reduce to about 2 inches above the peas. Stir and add more hot water to cover approximately 4 inches above the peas. Then cover the pot with the lid and cook for an additional 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. We'll then uncover the pot and stir. And at this point, the contents of the pot should be half full, and the consistency of the peas will be about 90% dissolved and more soupy looking. The video shows what this should look like. Alternatively, you can use an immersion hand blender to puree the split peas and speed up the process. Or continue to let the peas cook on their own until fully dissolved. At this time, you should taste the gravy to see if you want more salt or more of another seasoning to be added, and then continue to cook on a low flame. In a separate dish, cut up about 5 cloves of garlic into thin chunks or pieces, and then into a small saucepan, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is warm, not hot, add the garlic pieces, and allow the garlic and oil to cook until the garlic is golden brown, stirring often. Do not burn the garlic. When the garlic is ready, pour the oil and garlic into the pot with the split peas. There will be an audible sizzle when the oil hits the pot, which will let you know that you completed this key step of the recipe successfully. Guyanese people call this process chunkeing the dal, where the split peas liquid officially turns into dal. The aroma in your kitchen will be amazing at this point. Stir the pot and add approximately 1 cup of water to the pot to thin out the liquid. Not too thin though, but the consistency of the dal should flow around your pot spoon without feeling too thick. Cover the pot and turn down the flame to low-medium to allow the ingredients to absorb into each other for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, stirring periodically. The final step is to uncover the pot and stir, feeling for a liquid consistency that is slightly thick as you pour the dal off of a spoon. All the peas should now be dissolved. You'll add water slowly if needed to achieve the right consistency or texture. Do not thin out the liquid too much. Use the video as a guide for the right consistency. Now let's move on to the fried fish. We'll be using 2 pounds of Pacific whiting, skin-on fillets, and New Orleans brand seasoned fried breading mix. We'll start with seasoning the fish with onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, powdered chicken bouillon, and a little bit of salt. Remember, the batter already has salt, so be easy with the salt. Rub the seasoning into the fish, then add a generous coating of the seasoned fish batter, distributing it evenly onto the fish. We'll heat a large frying pan in vegetable cooking oil. making sure there is enough oil in the pan to cover the top of the fish. Fish fries best when at room temperature for 15 to 30 minutes prior to cooking. We'll place the fish pieces into the hot oil, turning as needed, and cook until golden brown and flaky. For a crispier texture, fry the fish for a slightly longer time. That's it. Our dal is done and it's time to eat. Yum, yum, yum. Does this look delicious or what? We'll serve the dal on a bed of white parboiled rice along with the fried fish. And while I use whiting in my recipe, you may use whichever type of fish you'd like, but it has to be fried to achieve that authentic dal and fish taste. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be the first to know when a new video drops. Here's a sneak peek at what's coming up on the menu. I'll be cooking some spicy curry chicken made with my secret ingredient. See you soon, friends.
Wall of your attack.